Today on Hello, I forgot almost to say hello. This is Chef Michael McDermott with Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Today we're making jerk chicken with yellow rice and peas. It's a one-dish meal. You'll be proud to serve at your table. As you can see, I got my splatter guard on here. Got my pan on medium-high. I'm going to brown these chicken thighs on either side, just brown them, and they have been marinating in jerk spice. And jerk spice is a combination of just spices like cinnamon, cardamom, nutmeg, a whole bunch of stuff from the Caribbean. It's also got a little hot pepper in there, so it's really good and yummy. What I'm doing now is I'm going to pour the rice in. Now this is called the peel-off method. What you do is you saute the rice in the oil just a little bit. As you can see, we have that nice chicken juice stuck to the bottom of the pan. We don't want to miss that. Look at me, I got the rice going everywhere. It's hysterical. So anyway, we're going to let this, I'm going to stir this around a little bit, okay? Then I'm going to add some onions and peppers to this and some stock, and I'll show you what it's going to look like when we put it in the oven. Yummy! The thing I wanted to show you, while this was cooking, I had the chicken sitting up on a rack, okay, so it doesn't steam. And as you can see, there's some juice in the bottom of there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour that in here as well. Well, we're going to go ahead and put all the chicken in here, lay it on top of the rice, maybe snuggle it down just a little bit. All right, I'm going to push it down just a little bit with my spatula. Actually, this is my tongs. All right, then we're going to add the appropriate amount of liquid. Just look at the rice that you buy and see how much liquid you're supposed to add. What makes the rice yellow is a little bit of saffron in there, okay? Now, I don't want to overflow the pan. Oh, goodness gracious, it's just going to fit. But look at that. Anyway, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this up to a burl. I'm going to cover it, and then I'm going to put it in the oven for 20 minutes. Then you can serve this pan right on top of the table, and I'll show you what that looks like in about 20 minutes. Okay, just came out of the oven. Jerk chicken with yellow rice and peas. Looks absolutely yummy. Now remember, you can take this whole pan and put it right up on the table. This is Chef Michael McDermott with Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Please stay tuned for the next Chef Michael's Food Hacks. And remember, when you eat better, you live better. Visit our partner on Facebook, Borderlands Market and Produce on Wheels Without Waste.